Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving the palindrome number problem on LeetCode, which is number 9, and today we're going to be solving it in Python. Now before we get into the code, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so here we are given a Python class named solution that contains a method isPalindrome. The goal of this function is to determine whether the given integer x is a palindrome or not. We start by checking if the number x is negative. If it is, we immediately return false as negative numbers cannot be palindromes. Next, we declare two variables, reverse num and temp. Reverse num will store the reversed integer, and temp will help manipulate the original integer without losing its value. The while loop allows us to reverse the integer x and store the result in reverse num. The loop continues until temp becomes 0. Inside the loop, we extract the last digit of temp using the modulo operation temp%10 and store it in the variable digit, right here. To build the reverse integer, we multiply the current value of reverse num by 10 and add the digit we extracted. Finally, we remove the last digit from temp by performing an integer division, temp divided by equals 10. Once the loop finishes, we check if the reversed integer, reverse num, is equal to the original integer, x. If they are the same, we return true, indicating that x is a palindrome. Alright, so now let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.